Okay. I don't know what happened there. I have a feeling that's like hardware stuff. That is why it's just out. Um, test, test.
Test.
Cool. Um, all right, so we're trying to figure out which slot the graphics card goes into. Does it matter which PCIe slot the graphics card goes into? I don't think it's going to matter. Okay. In other words, to be the best slot to mount your RF, it often runs at the full to 16x the full, but it's worth checking in other words. Mail confirm. The motherboard doesn't say anything. Does it? I guess we can do another Control F search. Let's see if that's a graphics card. The motherboard supports two PCIe X16 graphics cards and three PCIe 3.1 X1 networks, SCSI cards, and other cards combined PCIe Express specification. Please refer to the following table for the Hyper M2 configuration. PCIe bifurcation settings, they differ for Ryzen CPUs. This tells me nothing. This tells me nothing. Maybe it'll say it on the graphics card manual. Is that a thing? NVIDIA Quadro P400 graphics card manual. There's a data sheet. I think we might be about to call 19. It has been wild. Hello, Janine Bent. We are trying to figure out which PCIe slot to put the graphics card in. How's your night going? Or day, or wherever you are. Wherever you are. Ugh. Any ideas? Anyone? Let's see. We got two options here. Where'd my light go? Whatever. We'll use this light. You see there's two slots. And we have one graphics card. We were trying to decide which one. These are the two. Around my hand. These are the two. Right here. And we were deciding between this. According to the AI on the browser, there is an optimal slot. But I don't know which one. That's what we're trying to figure out. I would imagine I should use the first one because it's the first one. But that was not the case for the RAM. So let's just try this since it's not in the manual. Which is the better graphics card slot on the Tough Gaming B550 plus Wi-Fi 2 motherboard? Hi, Straz. Thanks for being here. What are you up to? Oh, there's a PCIe 4 slot too. What? Where is that? Nothing makes any sense. PCIe EX16. Is it hiding? That's RAM. I don't know what it's talking about. I think the AI is hallucinating or whatever they call it. But we'll ask for funsies. Just chillin', huh? What do you do when you chill? What is just chillin' to you? Let's check the sources. Oh, so I think one of those is PCIe 4. But would that, like, would my 3, could I have a 3 in the 4? I'm trying to find that tab with the graphics card. What can I make this here? I like all this stuff, I guess. There it is. So this says, I just want to say, yeah, it says system interface PCI Express 3.0 16. All right, how about this? Can I put a graphics card with a PCIe 3? What's it, a PCIe 3? Yeah. Why is that jumping from there to there? That doesn't make any sense. A PCIe 3 interface into a PCIe 4 slot. Like, would I want to? You know, I don't know. I don't know how this works. Yes, you can put it in. Designed to be backward compatible, but it will operate at PCIe 3.0 speeds. The performance impact of EasyViewer is generally minimal, as the bandwidth difference between generators is not suited for most applications. All right, what about should I? Should I put a graphics card? Should I put the graphics card with a PCIe 3 interface into a PCIe 4 slot? No, I want the shouldsies. See what Tom Sawyer has to say. Let me just better. I might be overthinking this. I think I'm just going to put it in the PCIe 3 slot. I can figure out which one that is. I'm just going to put the slot it's designed for. So which one is that? It does not specify here, right? Like, this is 3. Number 3, right here. This little green 3. Let's see if I can move y'all closer. This 3 right here, this is the graphics card slot. That is also the graphics card slot. It doesn't say which one's the PCIe 3 and which one's the PCIe 4. Oh, right here maybe. AMD resistors. This is what's confusing. PCIe bifurcation settings and PCIe x16 slots with different Ryzen CPUs. They both mentioned Ryzen 5 series, and then Gen 4 SSDs, only support Gen 3 SSDs. I'm very confused. Like, because we're not, like, I guess the SSDs don't go, I guess SSDs can go there. Maybe, I don't know. There's some sort of SSD that can go there, but we're talking about the graphics card. So that's what I want to know about. All right. I need a better diagram. B550 plus Wi-Fi 2 PCIe 16x16 diagram. Like, I don't really know. Because that user manual that I was on from their website, if I remember right, I got that from their website. Ooh, this looks like a RAM. I mean, what? This is not even the same. 2 PCIe, 4 or 3 x16 slots. Boom, and then boom. Oh, okay, now. So they're both either? All right, I'm going to bed. I'm over it. Is there anyone here? I see. Are you, like, person who's here, do you have any strong feelings on this? I'm going to kill this. I think we're about to be done. Because I'm getting tired. And I don't know if I'm being productive anymore. You start closing some tabs, or maybe look at something else for a second. Nah, I'm going to be done. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. See you in the next one.